Good morning, children. So today we are going to write down the question lessons. Yesterday we completed the fill in the blanks, and from the group B and C choose the proper words for each of the words in the group A that we have completed. Now let's write the question number 4. A bird sitting on a wire flies, circles around and comes back to its perch. Explain the total distance is traversed during its flight and its eventual displacement. So you have to write down the total distance of the bird transfer. So let's write the question. A bird sitting on a wire. Sitting on a wire. Flies, circles, around and comes back to its perch. Explain the total distance. Explain the total distance. It transfers during its flight. Its flight and its eventual displacement. You have to explain the total distance. A bird sitting on a wire flies, circles around and come back to its perch. So explain the total distance it transfers during its flight and its eventual displacement. So you should write down. Answer is the total distance the bird has transfers is the length of the distance length of the distance covered by circling circling, but the eventual displacement are the word is zero. The word is zero. Okay, as its initial and final position, initial and final position initial and final position are one and the same. Okay, its initial and final position are one and the same. This is the answer. Please write down. The next question, question number 5. Explain the following. Explain the following concepts in your own words. Own words with everyday examples. Everyday examples. Okay. So about force, work, displacement, force, work, displacement, velocity, acceleration, distance, First is a force. The interaction that brings about the interaction that brings about the acceleration is called force. About the definition of force. One by one we write. Example of force. An ox is pulling a cart. From that definition and examples, you should know about the definition of the force. What is meant by force? An interaction that brings about the acceleration is called a force. Learn this definition. Applying brakes. Applying brakes. Applying brakes to a bicycle. Okay, while cycling a bicycle, when you have to apply a brake, what you required? You required the force. हम लोग force से क्या है उसको brakes apply करते हैं and they stop the cycle. And an ox is pulling a cart. जो ox होता है वो cart pull करने के लिए उसको भी force की जरूरत होती है. These are the examples of force. Then lifting heavy iron. Lifting heavy iron object in the frame. With a crane. So these are some examples of force. Then second is work. Second definition is work. When an object is displaced by applying a force on it. Force on it. Work is said to be done. Work is said to be done. Okay. So, example of work is a bucket full of water A bucket full of water is to be drawn from a well from a well and taken to the home taken to the home by walking from well to home. Walking from well okay. So few more examples you can write of about work. A boy is pulling a car from one place to another place. है ना टॉय कार एक बच्चा जो है कि टॉय कार के साथ खेल रहा है. Then few more examples you can write of it. So this is about the work and definition. When an object is displaced एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाना by applying the force on it. कोई भी काम करने के लिए हमें फोर्स की जरूरत होती है. That time we say that work is said to be done. So a bucket of water is to be drawn from the well and taken to the home by walking from well to home. Means एक जगह से दूसरे जगह आप पानी की बकेट लेके जा रहे हो. That is that work is said to be done. So these are the few more examples. You have to find out again few more examples of work and force. It's your homework. So in the next video we will continue with another. Okay children, so bye everyone.